Hello, everybody. My name's Anthony, and I'm here today to bring you a few moments of joy, peace, and serenity. And so I want you to just go ahead, if you want to, put your feet flat on the floor, back in the chair, and hands at your sides. And let's go ahead and take a nice deep breath. And hold it for 4, 3, 2, 1, and exhale. This time we're going to do it again, only we're going to breathe in and hold it for 7. And then we're going to exhale for 8. Okay, so let's do the 7. Breathe in. And out. One more time, breathe in. And breathe out. And whatever really works for you, if 4 is too long, then do less. If it's okay, then do that. If 7 is okay, do whatever is comfortable for you. Because you know what? There are ways to do these things, and then there are the ways that our body will do them, okay? And I would rather have you do them than not do them because you can't hold it for a certain amount of time. Just breathing in and out deeper will clear your mind, clear your spirit, and lower cortisol. So let's do that again. Deep breath in. The other thing that I've learned is that it's whatever works for you. It's not, trying to fit into anybody else's reality. And so, like I like Dr. Amen, and I like to talk about his books because, all right, so I'm going to talk about a few things that he talks about, and I'm only going to talk about a few. But one of the ways he says to lower cortisol and to balance it is to aim for at least 7 hours of sleep each night. And that's just a good rule of thumb for anybody. We all need our rest, and we need to revive ourselves and restore. And number 2 is get moving. Have some kind of physical activity you like to do, whether it's walking, dancing, jumping up and down, stretching out on the floor, doing yoga. It doesn't matter. Even if it's just hitting a drum, that's exercise for you. And so the meditation, this is number 3, meditation also lowers stress and cortisol levels. So that is why I like to do the breathing, because it's a very simple way to get your brain to calm down. Because you know what? I need that. I need that, and I know many other people need that. So that's why I do it. And one more thing is hypnosis can lower levels of anxiety, pain, and add to more sleep. So those are just a few things. And one of the things Dr. Amen does, I mean, you could even go online and find he has all kinds of things that he does in meditations. And one of them is where he takes you through this meditation. And one of them is with your eyes closed, you roll your eyes back a few times before going to sleep or while you're laying in bed. And that will help you get to sleep quicker. And then I realized, because my background is in massage and healing work and nursing. So I know how the body works and the neurological system is. So one of the things that really work the nervous system is the eyeballs. And whatever the eyes do, the body does. So then I started to play with this, and this really works. So because there were some exercises that we did in neuromuscular therapy with eyes to strengthen eyes, to help the muscles around the eyes. And this is when I learned, you can do figure eights with your eyes closed, your eyeballs doing figure eights, and then um, regular figure eights straight up and down, and then laying on their side horizontally. That will also relax your brain and calm you down. The other thing that I learned was turning my head one way and tracking my eyes the other. This is a very simple one. When you're stressed and stuff and you need to just have a break, turn your head opposite way, bring your eyes the opposite way, and then do it again. You do that a couple times, and you will find your body will start to calm down in more ways than one. So I want to thank you for listening. And if you liked anything you heard, subscribe. If not, I'm glad you tuned in. Thanks so much. Have a great day.